Got a couple of friends coming to say hi. Cray cray. These guys are being crazy.
Big duckies. Big duckies. Mommy duckies.
And then mommy and baby swan. Two mommy swans. So instead of buying new, I'm just gonna use what I have, and I'm gonna spray these with the Rust-Oleum metallic gold so it kind of matches the finishes that I have in the kitchen. Okay, so here is how it came out. I think it looks so good. It's like that perfect gold color. And I just think it's gonna look so pretty next to like all the gold finishes in the kitchen. I'm gonna keep something silver, like I'm gonna keep that silver to kind of tie everything in, but I just think the pops of gold looks really pretty. And here's how the fruit basket came out. I think it looks so cool too. Just gotta get some fruit in there and we'll be good to go. Microwavable bacon is where it's at. Put it in for like 3 or 4 minutes. It's just so easy. It's awesome. If you have not tried it, you're totally missing out. I never cook, so this is a real treat for my family. Just finally got some food shopping done, hit up Target. I wasn't allowed to go in this time, so I just sat in the car because I can't be trusted in Target not to buy a bunch of stuff we don't need. Now I'm just going through this huge bag of lemons that I bought at Costco, but I think some of them are like too mushy and old. Is that too mushy?
It's soft.
What about this one?
This one might be good.
Yeah? The juggling stuff. Come on now. Come on, the juggles. You can... Oh.
God, why are you playing?
We're not playing.
Daddy's juggling. Wait.
No, do me.
One more time. One more, ready? This one's gonna be the one. Wait. It's boom. Okay, go. Timmy was crushing it. Scratch right here. Scratch.
Very focused.
So good with your hands.
Man, oh man, Mike and Tim are like so intense in here. Holy poop.
Looks good.
Look at all these babies. Hi, my friend. Hi, babies. Hellos. I'm about to get back at it with the Rust-Oleum metallic spray. I ordered these gold stools for my island, and then they just come with like this pretty white velour. I know I'm crazy to go with white, but I got them for a really good price. The gold is just, in the pictures online, it didn't look this dark, and it just kind of standing out a lot when I compare it to some of the other gold in the kitchen, like the light fixtures and stuff. So I think I'm gonna spray them just to kind of tone the color down a little bit, and I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. What's Daddy doing? Okay. Sorry for the crazy loudness. The neighbor's like vacuuming his car or something, but I wanted to show you. So on the left are the ones that I just sprayed, and on the right are how they were, and you can already tell the difference in the gold. Like this is a little bit more toned down, and this is a little bit more like yellowy, like high shine. So I'm gonna finish the rest of them, and then I will show you what they look like. So here's the final result for the bar stools. They are super pretty. They're like a white velour, and I just have my Scotchgard now, and I am just going to spray them down and protect them from any stains. This stuff is magic for repelling stains. I bought some curtains for the playroom, and I have these rods from the other house, but I want them to be like a satin nickel. So instead of going out and buying new, I'm gonna try out the Rust-Oleum metallic paint and primer in 1. And this is in the satin nickel color. So I'm gonna spray them, and hopefully we can just use them once they're sprayed, so I don't have to go and buy something new. Give it a good shake. Okay, so these ones are in my daughter's playroom, and I just have gray and pink or tan color scheme going on in here. So this rod used to be that dark, like almost black, and we sprayed it with, I think, the Rust-Oleum satin nickel. I'll link exactly what we use down below. And then I just picked up these curtains from Target. They're really nice. So here's more of like a close-up of how it came out. Spraying is just a really easy way to reuse what you already have, so you don't have to go out and spend more money. We just convinced Daddy to let us go in Target. I just picked up these curtain clip rings from Target to hang my curtains on. The gold is just more of like a yellowy, so I'm gonna spray these ones too, and we'll see how they come out. One more thing to spray. I just picked these up from Target. They match those curtain rings that I got, and this is gonna be for like the living room area. So I'm just gonna spray these with the Rust-Oleum metallic and then let them dry, and the stools are drying, and then we'll see how everything looks. So here's how the curtain rods came out with the gold. I just went to HomeSense and got some just really lightweight drapes to put on. I got like a pack of 4 for $49, which was a great deal. I'm just so happy with the way they came out. It just makes the room look like very fresh and light and airy, and it does provide some coverage. But I really do like the lighting to shine through, so I just think that it looks really pretty. Here's kind of like a close-up of them. It's kind of hard to see because it's a little dark in here. So we checked out a new store called At Home, and I started to decorate the mantle, and I got all this little stuff. These are just little plastic ornaments that I took from my tree to kind of like incorporate a little bit more silver and gold in there. And I think it just came out really cute. I'm going for the whole silver and gold vibe. And then I just decorated this little piece, like this little foyer piece. I put some more little ornaments and balls, and then other little things that I picked up from the store At Home. And oh my God, this Bath & Body Works candle, Marshmallow Musk, is ridiculous. It's easily my favorite Bath & Body Works candle ever. And then just to decorate this little area, put a couple ornaments down. It's just a really easy, affordable way to just decorate and incorporate more Christmassy items throughout the home. My new rug just finally came in. It is that like cowhide leather. It's really, really pretty. I think I got it at House, or did I get it at Hay Needle? I will find it if you're interested, and I'll link it. I'll try to get a link to it below. And then I just wanted to add in some more like white, because my couch is like super, super dark. So I found this white, it's like a bleached out jute rug from, I think, Overstock. I got it so cheap, and I just think that it looks really nice, and it kind of ties everything in together. see Santa? No? This one was sleeping too. She was sleeping too. I dare you not to smile. Don't smile. All right, let's go see Santa.